Hello, Charlie here with Charlie's CBG guitars, and I finally got Bailey's build done. She's looking real nice. She's got a maple with the oak neck and a cherry for the fretboard, and this was a Wise Guy cigar box, but I took the cover off, and then I engraved this emblem from the Baileys and buckles, barrels and buckles for Bailey. And I did all that on my laser, right? And I made this little thing with the laser with the butterfly on here, so it all kind of matches. And then I got the oak for my bridge, and I'm donating it to this buckles and barrels for Bailey event in Las Vegas. And I got a case, and I put an extra bridge in there. This is a floating bridge, and I put a couple of picks, and a friend of mine makes slides with bottlenecks, so I put one of those in there. But I'm gonna play it right now, and we'll see what she sounds like. I only partly know one song, so we'll see what happens. Whoops. Okay, here we go. We'll see what we got here. So, Amazing Grace.